Incorporated in cooperation with Barangay Labangon presents Diwata sa Sugbo 2017, a pageant for a cause, presenting our 12 lovely candidates in their production number. A big round of applause to our Diwata sa Sugbo 2000 candidates. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our hosts for tonight, Queen Philippines 2015 International, Maria Paula Bacchus Espina, and Mr. Gino Montescarles Cabrera.
Good evening! What a wonderful evening, and here we are tonight at Labangon Gym, and also we are live, right?
Maayong gabi kanatong tanan! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies who are gentlemen, of course. Gentlemen who are ladies. Maayong gabi kanatong lahat. Tayo nagpasipang pakpak ang Diwata sa Sugbo 2017.
Good evening, of course, to my lovely co-host tonight, Your Highness Paula. You look so sparkling tonight.
Well, thank you so much, Gino. And then you clean up yourself very nicely tonight.
Wow, I'm not really good in taking compliments, but thank you very much. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, good evening once again, and welcome to the first ever Diwata sa Sugbo 2017.
Whew, what an exclusive opening number that was, Gino. A perfect way to start the evening. The audience tonight can expect no less because we are so lucky to have these 12 beautiful Diwatas representing 12 different LGBT organizations from different barangay here in Cebu City. And of course, we have a representative from Talisay City.
That is right. And by the way, when you post your photos and even your videos on your social media accounts like your Facebook and Instagram, please remember to use the hashtag. That's hashtag Diwata sa Sugbo 2017 and hashtag Tatak Ripos Angels. That's it.
Yes, we have two hashtags for tonight.
12 candidates, by the way. Oh, yes. Again, can we give a big round of applause to our lovely candidates, everyone?
Thank you so much, ladies.
They do look stunning tonight. And you know what? Your Highness, Paula, our 12 candidates truly deserves to be called Diwata, for the exemplifies women of strength, power, beauty, character, and mystery. All of them have stood up in fighting for equality and upholding the rights of our LGBT brothers and sisters.
Yes, and aside from that, tonight will also be a night of fun, and laughter, where we have invited special guest performers to entertain everybody tonight. Mildly and international performers,
wow,
actually.
That is truly amazing. And tonight, we proudly say that there is unity in diversity. Regardless of what sexual orientation you belong, we are here tonight all united for a common purpose that is to celebrate beauty, life, and equality. And now it is time to hear individually our 12 lovely Diwatas as they say their unique hellos to Cebu and to the world.
And now it's time to hear individually our 12 lovely Diwata as they say their unique hellos to Cebu and to the world. First up, Diwata number 1, Maquillage, Wilson Sucalco Yuzen, hair by Jordan Ibanez, designer, Hannah Garcia.
Sa layo man ng aking pinanggalingan at sa lawak ng aking kaisipan. Labangon! Tonight, we've been love, peace, and harmony. I am Scarlett Lopez, 20 years old, from the busiest barangay in the city during All Souls Day, Barangay Calamba. Representing Diwata na nagmula sa buwan, kauban sa mga taong gipasakitan, gibinuangan, o gibuwagan. Looy. Charot lang. Representing Diwata sa mga taong dagkog suwang, dako og naong murag buwan-buwan, Diwata ng buwan, mayari. Mayari po ang nagsasabi. The power of God within you is greater than pressure of troubles around you. Thank you so much. Good evening.
Diwata number 2, Maquillage and hair by Johnnery Caballero, designer, Rams and Destin Valenzuela Lucido.
God is an artist, and I am his masterpiece. Good evening, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen who are ladies, and ladies who are gentlemen. My name is Shane Marie Queen, 25, a graduate of Computer Secretarial at Bohol Island State University, and I represent the Dove Association in Barangay Pardo. And I am your Diwata sa Sugbo. Ay, kaog kamunggay. Ay, subak pitchay. Ay, anagulay!
Diwata number 3, Maquillage, Angela Santa Cruz, hair by Danica Ella Versace, designer, Guillermo Giramoyo.
The best and the most beautiful thing in this world that cannot be seen nor even touched, that is found in our hearts, is love. Was molded into beauty, intelligence, and imperfection, is a 23 years old last. My name's Angelicum Lopez Abate, 23 years old, and I represent ang Diwata na nagbibigay ng sakit pag ikaw ay hindi nagpakabait. Miss Manggagaway, good evening and have fun, ladies and gentlemen.
Diwata number 4, Maquillage, Christian Harvey Baligua, hair by Jella Allage, designer, Christian Harvey Baligua.
Fly high and reach the stars under the sky. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. This young lady standing in front of you is no other than Hermie Coppins, 18, proudly representing from the Aqua City of the South, Talisay City. And I am your Diwata, kung sangit-ngit magsiga-siga, twinkle, twinkle, little star, Diwata ng Tala. Thank you.
Diwata number 5, Maquillage, Carla Gang. Hair by Don Dignas Gares. Designer, Jones Lucinario.
Good evening, friends. Good evening, fellow Sugboanon. The woman standing in front of you is the woman who believes that the real essence of love, the real essence of life is love. Pero kung wala kay money, wala kay love life. The woman standing in front of you is only 21 years tenor, and I'm proud to represent the LGBT community of your host, Barangay Labangon.
Diwata number 6, Maquillage, Paul Flores. Hair by Jergo Richards. Designer, Jones Lucinario.
Maayong gabi, Sugbo. I am your goddess of the sea. Handog ko po sa inyo lahat ang sangkaterbang lamang dagat, tag 150 ang kilo. Dahil sa panahon ngayon, bisag ukoy kinilo na. Ako lang naman po ang sinasamba ng pugita, lambay at pasayan, kung hubuan, malamian. I am Aman Sinaya, ang nagsasabi, ang di mo pakpak, akong lumsan sa dagat. And I'm proud to represent from the LGBT community o Barangay Suba!
Diwata number 7, Maquillage, Michael Nassis. Hair by Melchai More. Designer, Mariela Lynn Campos.
Hola, hola. Di candidatura numero 7, Nono Española, Nono Venezuela, Nono Colombia. Puro Pilipino y Pilipina, no retokada. Heto na ang inyong reyna, Diyosa, Diwatang Mandirigma, Lakambini, na nagmula pa sa kalangitan, bumaba para papatay sa susunod na kandidata dahil nanlaban. I am Baby Kiamko Arellano, 20, Mauti, Marawi City Representante, Abaca family from the land of the Tigidig Festival, where you can witness the horseback riding in tandem. From one beat, one race, one horse, Red Horse. Ang barangay na pangkarera, Hippodromo!
Diwata number 8, Maquillage, Carlos Summer. Hair by Agua Maldita and Nestor Gargonera Almonte. Designer, Sheena Lintan.
Feeling like a woman. Are you a woman? You don't look like a woman.
Good evening to the wonderful people of Labangon. I am Jana Eliza, 21 days old, and I'm proud to represent Barangay Zapatera. Tandaan nyo, ako ang Diyosa ng kagubatan at ako ang Diyosa ng lahat ng mga hayop. And if you want to know what is my favorite pet, ito siya. This is Baby Toy Kapala, the Philippine national bird. Maria Makiling po ang nagsasabi sa lahat ng mga Philippine national bird nandito, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Diwata number 9, Maquillage, Dexter Bukog. Hair by Bags Vergara. Designer, Mami Gelly Hiras Mio.
To be the winner in life, we must be fair. Because our weakness and imperfections, we must learn to defeat them. Because the quality of one's life depends upon the quality one's thought. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and to the distinguished board of judges. Let me allow to introduce myself. I'm Jabi May Libre, your Diwata Hanan, your goddess of morning, na nagsasabing mahirap magpakalalaki kung hindi ka naman tunay na lalaki. Mahirap magpakababae kung hindi ka naman tunay na babae. Pero mas mahirap magpakatao kung hindi nyo kami ituring bilang isang tunay na tao. Salamat po.
Diwata number 10, Maquillage, Malaika Yamas. Hair by Martha Apolodissima and Chantal Davidson. Designer, Jam Margaret Robert.
Mabuhay! And welcome to Diwata sa Sugbo 2017! I am Aura Viralio, 27 years of young. Hold your breath, ladies and gentlemen, dahil ang diwatang nasa inyong harapan ngayon ay ang diwatang nagmula pa sa lugar na kung saan matatagpuan ang kakao. Luto Macau. I am Maria de Cacao! And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to represent ang Kempo Titing nga kung pakanon, dili mabusog, kung paimnon, dili mahubog, kung hiluan, pak! Mamuwara! Kay Kembot dito, kay Kembot diri, tas, tas, tas! Kembot dito!
Diwata number 11, Maquillage, Paul Flores. Hair by Drexel Gomez. Designer, Rams and Decim Brizuela Lucido.
Ingon sila, nga gwapa kuno ko gamay. Sexy kuno ko gamay. Lami daw kog lawas gamay. Hala, pakpakpud mo gamay. Hoy, kusga gamay. Og ni patuusad ang mga nay gamay. Crowns are not made of rhinestones. They are made of discipline, determination, and a rare trait called courage. Welcoming you all tonight, the celebration of the goddesses that God has been given unto us. It is giving honor in appreciation, diversity, equality, and expanding horizon for LGBT rights. This is Elena Pichuruva Pierce, 21, and I am representing Barangay Careta.
Diwata number 12, Maquillage, Miss B. Designer, Miss B.
Maupay na gabi kaninyong tanan, maupay batig nawong, maupay pilian, maupay pobre, maupay sosyalan. My name is Julia Vu Ayala, 20 years of age, representing from the Self-Motivated Gays Association of Barangay Luz. Behold, I am your Diwata Idianali, the goddess of agriculture. In short, tindera ug utanon. Ayaw bastusa, kay ako ra ang kandidata na tindera. Na adunahan, kwartahan, organic ug labaw sa tanan, walay ritoki. Shudi paulark. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is Julia Vu na nag-iiwan ng katagang pag kumain kayo ng prutas at gulay, ang inyong buhay ay magiging makulay.
Please welcome back your hosts, Miss Maria Paula and Mr. Gino.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our 12 beautiful Diwatas in their costumes. Come on, a round of applause.
They are indeed very beautiful and very entertaining. They really are very well prepared for the night. For you guys. Diba, Jean?
That is right.
Diba, as they say, no Dominicana, no Venezuelan, no Puerto Rican, no sa punso. Here! By Cambotitas.
Paulark.
You know one thing na ha? Okay.
Right.
Okay, tonight's judging panel is composed only of the most select group of outstanding individuals whose innate taste for beauty and intelligence is the very reason why they were given the most difficult task of choosing the most deserving and rightful Diwata.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is with utmost respect that I introduce to you our regardful judges.
Will be judged by the following criteria.
That's right.
First is for their production number, and that is 25 points. Beauty of face, mastery of steps, grace, confidence, showmanship, and projection. That's what really happens kanina, no?
That is right.
Yeah.
And aside from what happened earlier, the production number, we also have a swimsuit competition. Now, these are the criteria: body proportion, skin, confidence, projection, and total look of beauty and figure. That's 25 points.
Yes. And then after the swimsuit competition, we have the casual interview. It is also graded 25 points by our judges. And this composes the beauty of face, articulation, wit, delivery of answer, confidence, and content.
And the final is the evening gown, the most awaited, right? That's scored of 25 points. Beauty of face, elegance, and a regal bearing, confidence, poise, and projection.
Yes.
Which gives us how much?
Actually, 100%.
That is
I'm not
true.
that good in math.
100%. The
Yes.
scores for each category, by the way, will be summed up to know each of the candidates' total performance rating. This will then serve as basis for ranking, from which the top 5 finalists will be chosen with the criteria for judging. Beauty of face and grace, that's 50%. Wit and intelligence, that is 50%, for a total of 100%.
Yes,
wow.
and I'm very quite faceted. Our candidates are keeping track of this criteria. It is because they're very much well prepared for tonight. Pinagandaan din nila to for a month, actually.
And you know what, Paula, we would also like to acknowledge our official tabulator, and that's STI. Can we show some love to STI? Come on, let's give them a big
Patagan
hand.
na to sa masipang papak. Dagan kayong salamat, STI.
Oh,
for
high-tech
this.
kay ta tonight
Yes,
because of
kaya para
STI.
usa lang kapindot sa mga judge, they will actually have the total score, di ba? That's how high-tech we are for tonight. And then, murag di na ko fresh sa TV. Okay. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome to entertain us tonight, our very own, the Cebu Divets.
Cebu Divets!
Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it.
Okay, I tell her bring it back like she loves some. Bring it back like she loves some. In the club with the lights off, but you acting shy for. Come and show me that you're with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. Stop playing, now you know that I'm with it, with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. What you acting shy for?
Just give me you, just give me you, just give me you. That's all I wanna do. And if what they say is true, if it's true, I'ma give it to you. I may take a lot of stuff, guaranteed I can back it up. I think I might call you bluff. Hurry up, I'm waiting out front. You see me in the spotlight, ooh, I love your style. Show me what you got, cause I don't wanna waste my time. See me in the spotlight, ooh, I love your style. Show me what you got now, come and make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. It's all on you, it's all on you, it's all on you. So what you wanna do? And if you don't have a clue, not a clue, I'll tell you what to do. Come harder just because I don't like it too soft. I like it a little rough, not too much, but maybe just enough. You see me in the spotlight, ooh, I love your style. Show me what you got, cause I don't wanna waste my time. See me in the spotlight, ooh, I love your style. Show me what you got now, come on, make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Know what I mean? Baby, I'm worth it. Give me everything. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it.
Okay, I tell her bring it back like she loves some. Bring it back like she loves some. In the club with the lights off, but you acting shy for. Come and show me that you're with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. Stop playing, how you know that I'm with it, with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. What you acting shy for?
You see me in the spotlight, ooh, I love your style. Show me what you got, cause I don't wanna waste my time. See me in the spotlight, ooh, I love your style. Show me what you got now, come on, make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Know what I mean? Baby, I'm worth it. Give me everything. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it.
In their most appealing and jaw-dropping form, the Diwata sa Sugbo 2017 Swimsuit Competition.
I've seen some I never saw.
Diwata number 1, Mayari, Scarlett Lopez. Representing LGBT Calamba of Barangay Calamba. She stands 5 feet and 2 inches tall with a vital statistics 30, 26, 32. Once again, that's our Diwata number 1, Mayari. Diwata number 2, Ana Gula, Shane Marie Queen. Representing Dog of Barangay Pardo. She stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall with a vital statistics 36, 26, and 36. Diwata number 3, Manggagawa, Angelica Lopez, representing Unique of Barangay Guadalupe. She stands 5 feet tall and 5 inches with a vital statistics 34, 25, and 36. Diwata number 4, Tala. Her maid Poppins, representing Bangaw of Barangay Talisay. She stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall with a vital statistics 30, 27, 32. Once again, Diwata number 4, Tala. Diwata number 5, Beyond Masalanta, Ira Ambrosio. Representing La Gucci of Barangay Labangan. She stands 5 feet and 6 inches tall with a vital statistics 34, 25, and 36. And once again, Diwata number 5, Beyond Masalanta. Diwata number 6, Aman Sinaya. Roxanne De Los Santos, representing Barangay Suba. She stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall with a vital statistics 36, 28, and 32. And once again, Diwata number 6, Aman Sinaya. Diwata number 7, Lakambini, Baby Kiamco Aureliano. From Abaca Organization, representing Hippodromo. Stands 5 feet and 7 inches tall and measures 34, 25, and 36. Once again, Diwata number 7, Lakambini. Diwata number 8, Maria Makili. Jana Elisa, representing Barangay Zapatero. Jana Elisa stands 5 feet and 8 inches tall with a vital statistics 36, 22, and 38. Once again, Diwata number 8, Maria Makili. Diwata number 9, Hanan, Chapi Male Libre, representing Sagpa Organization of Barangay Sambak Dos. With 5 feet and 6 inches tall, measures 35, 25, and 35. Once again, Diwata Hanan. Diwata number 10, Maria Cacao, Aura Virvalio. Representing Tempotitas of Barangay Tinago, Pijero, and Tipadilla. With a height of 5 feet and 6 inches tall, and she measures 36, 25, 36. Once again, Diwata number 10, Maria Cacao. Diwata number 11, Halia Elena Petrova Pierce. Representing Carita Gay Angels of Barangay Carita with a height of 5'6", with a vital statistics 36, 24, and 36. Once again, Diwata Halia. Diwata number 12, Eddie Ganali. Julia Bo Ayala, representing Simgab of Barangay Barrio Luz. She stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall with a vital statistics 30, 2834. Please welcome back our 12 lovely Diwatas.
Now I done just lost my mind. All those people wiggling they stuff. Hey man, you gonna do the dance? Man, turn down for what? Give me a shot. Another shot. Y'all ain't ready for me to show you what I got. Then my body froze up. It was getting to my head. What if I can't do it? Then everybody said, can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see? Two girls are shaking it. I jumped in the middle. I asked them what we doing, and they said, "Juicy wiggle."
Hello, hello. Very happy, ladies and gentlemen, our 12 dazzling candidates and their swimwear. And now, I will be announcing the winners of our first set of special awards. So, I have me now the results. Actually, we're having 4 minor awards for tonight. And the first minor award is Miss Congeniality. And this award is very special because the candidates themselves choose who amongst their co-candidates they think is the most congenial. So who do you think, girls? Sino ba talaga? Okay, nagsabot-sabot pa. Actually, nagbunot-bunot na sila kanina pang hapon kung kisagi pinaka-friendly among these 12 dazzling candidates for tonight. And now, our Miss Congeniality is no other than candidate number from Sagpa Organization, candidate number 9. Diwata Hanan, Miss Jappy May Libre. Siya ang pinaka-friendly nga candidate.
Miss Congeniality will receive the sash, flower headpiece, and cash. This award will be presented by Karen Songbird.
Thank you so much, candidate number 9. And our next award. The next award is Miss Photogenic. And this award will go to the lady who best projects in front of the camera. And I would like to take this moment to thank our official photographer. So who do you think is the Miss Photogenic? Kinsay guwapa sa picture. Guwapa po, of course, sa personal. Diwata! Candidate number 3 from Barangay Guadalupe, our Miss Photogenic. Congratulations, girl.
Miss Photogenic will receive the sash, flowers, and framed photo and cash. This award presented by Marvin J. Siniza.
Thank you so much, Sir Marvin, and congratulations, our candidate number 3. The next award is Miss Facebook Darling. And our Miss Facebook Darling for tonight is candidate number is Diwata Halia from Carita Gay Angels, Maria Elena Petrona Pierce, candidate number 11.
Miss Facebook Darling will receive the sash, bouquet of flowers, and cash. This award presented by Rivas Agave.
Thank you so much, candidate number 11. Mommy Repos, and congratulations, candidate number 11. And now, the next award is the People's Choice Award. And now, I have with me the result of Miss People's Choice Award for Diwata sa Sugbo 2017. And that goes to candidate number, ikaw talagang pinili nilang lahat, candidate number 11 from Carita Gay Angels Association, Diwata Halia. Candidate number 11 is Lilina Petrona Pierce.
Miss People's Choice will receive a sash, flower headpiece, and cash. This award will be given by Maria Rivera.
Thank you so much, Ate Maria. And now there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our minor awards for tonight. How about a round of applause, please, for them? And thank you so much, ladies. Daghan kayong salamat. In which I am very happy to host the show for tonight. It's because this is not just a beauty pageant, Mami Rapos, diba? This is actually a gathering of most of the LGBT members of Cebu, and then with their organizations, and then all their presidents are here. This is quite like a diversity and then unity for every one of us. It is because that's what we all need. Mao ginatong gikinahanglan nga maghugpong yutang mga LGBT sa syudad sa Sugbo. Og dili lamang sa syudad sa Sugbo, apilo na nato ang dakbayan sa Sugbo. Kay dili lang Cebu City ang naa ang mga LGBT, but the entire province of Cebu. And I'm very happy that all of you guys are here. Hatagan natos masipang pakpak ang tanan. And of course, our dazzling board of judges. Daghan kayong salamat. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, to entertain us all, please help me welcome the songbird of Cebu, Karen Songbird.
Sa buhay ko, kung pag-ibig mo'y maglaho, paano na kaya ang mundo? Kung saan ka makita, kung ika'y napakalayo na, may buhay pa kaya tong puso? Yan lang maaari natin sa diya matatanggap, habang ako'y may buhay. Mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa iniisip mo. Pinuhay uling mo at tibok ng puso sa iyong pagmamahal. Buhay uli na iba na puno ng saya. Sa lahat ay di maaaring iwan, wala makakapigil kahit na bagyong magpanukon. Ikaw na mismo kusang lilisan, paano ba? Kung mawala ka sa buhay ko, kung pag-ibig mo'y maglaho, paano na kaya ang mundo? Kung suwasi kang makita, kung ika'y napakalayo na, may buhay pa kaya tong puso? Yan lang maaari natin sa diya matatanggap, habang ako'y may buhay. Mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa'yo. mahal kita, higit pa sa inisip mo.
Thank you so much. Maayong gabi once again, and I'd like to thank Hani, salamat kaayo for inviting me over. Bisag wala dyan ko'y tingog tonight, ako dyan nanggi. Kay, I've been supporting this association since nagsugod dyan si Hani. So, I'm really sorry I'm down with colds and cough tonight, but performer man ta, kinahanglan kita mo perform. So, I love LGBT. I hope nga supportaan nato si Repo sa iyang mga tumungog sa iyang mga pangandoy sa kinabuhi kay dili lang man na niya para sa iyahan, para sa ato man ang tanan sa LGBT. Thank you so much. Here's another one. Try na ako kay Mordagang kayong buhok na habilin. Kanalagi mo kayod ta kada gabi. Umakpaksag mo eh!
Mahal, pangako sa'yo, hindi magbabago. Ikaw lang ibigin ko. Kahit ikaw ay lumayo at masaktan ako, asahan na di maglalaho. Ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo lamang, kung kaya giliw dapat mong malaman. You say!
Oh. Sige na, tabangin ka nyo. Very good. Thank you. Hi, baby. Sorry.
Minsan lamang sa buhay ko ang isang katulad mo. Ako rin ba'y iniibig mo? Tingin puso'y sumasamo, sinusumpa sa'yo. Ikaw ang tanging dalangin ko. Ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo lamang, kung kaya giliw dapat mong malaman. Minsan lang kita iibigin, minsan lang kita mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo wala hangganan, dahil ang minsan magpakailanman.
Thank you so much.
What a magical voice! That was Karen Songbird, everyone, come on! And at this point, let us grab the chance to hear from our candidates and test their wit and glamour under pressure. Let us witness their spontaneity in delivering their speech about their chosen advocacy. We will do it batch by batch. So we have our first batch, and let us begin with candidate number 1. Presenting our first batch, and again, our candidate number 1 from Calamba. And can you tell us what is your chosen advocacy? We'll show it on the screen. There you go.
My chosen advocacy is actually humanity and unity. You know why? Because honestly, ladies and gentlemen, humanity and unity is what actually our society needs today. As you can see, there were many problems our country is facing today. Number one, the scarcity. Number two, disaster. Number three, which is the most trending today, the drug war. And what I can say is our government is really busy right now. So what if our government is very busy to take its responsibility to its people? Then why us, people living in the society, can't help each other? Because I believe the first step of improvement is actually start with us. If we only share our humanity and we will be united with it, then for example, the drug war. If only us are concerned with our neighbors, our friends, with our family in this country, then I think with that, drug war will not exist. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if we are only united and share our humanity to each and every one around us, well, I believe we can make this place, the Philippines, the whole world rather, a better place and a better home for each one of us. Thank you so much.
Now, let me call on candidate number 2 from Barangay Pardo. Yes, thank you very much for the mic. And we are going to show each and everyone your advocacy on the screen. Now, please tell us more about your advocacy, candidate number 2.
My advocacy is youth empowerment through education. For I believe, as what Dr. Jose Rizal said, that the youth is the hope of our fatherland. Integrating and educating young minds with the right values is my passion, and that is closest to my heart. I believe that education is the most powerful weapon to fight against poverty or any problem, especially in our society. And most of all, education will always be the best tool for us to change the world and for us to see the new horizon of hope. So be educated and join this revolution, fighting for the youth, for the future generation. Our hope, our future. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And now, introducing to you our next candidate, candidate number 3, representing Barangay Guadalupe. And we are going to show your advocacy on the screen. There you go.
Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My advocacy is about, I want to lessen discrimination. I'm very wishful as well, not just to lessen discrimination, but also to stop it fully. And I want to share and teach the children, the youth of us today, because they are the future. They are the future president, engineers, teachers of our nation. Well, diversity, ladies and gentlemen, do exist in our society, and we LGBT people, we are part of the diverse individual. But it's just so sad though, because there are cases of discrimination within our own circle. So if we really want to achieve respect, ladies and gentlemen, if we really want to achieve diversity, we should start it with our own circle, we the LGBT community. Pertaining back to the children, whatever the children would see that you might do, good or bad it may be, they will always follow you, because the children has nothing they don't know anything about what's going on in society. So whatever they see in their community, they will always follow it. So to all the parents out there, let us be mindful of the things that we are doing in the community, the words that are coming out from our mouth, because those children might follow us. And the worst case scenario, those children might hurt us members of the LGBT community, because they can see that it's okay to hurt and discriminate their own kinds, right? So, and treat everyone as special. Treat every individual as a special person, because that's the most amazing feeling that anyone could feel. And always remember, more often than not, people will not remember your name. but they will always remember how you made them feel as a person. Thank you so much.
That is superb. And finally, for our first batch, we have candidate number 4 representing Talisay City. And we are going to show once again your advocacy on the screen. And there you go. Oh, that's very interesting. Tell us more about it, candidate number 4.
The picture shown, many LGBT and transgender experience this. It took time to choose where to get inside. As a member of the LGBT community, I will advocate the laws and policies that will protect everyone's dignity. My advocacy is to embrace gender sensitivity, to ask people to know and to feel the world of LGBT life, because we, gays, lesbian, and transgender, are treated equally, even though we are prone to discrimination. We can make this world a better place to live in with our creativity and wide imagination. And lastly, your genitalia has nothing to do with our gender identity. Thank you.
That's for our first batch. And then we are going to call the second batch. That's candidate number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kicking off with our candidate number 5. Come up right here, representing Barangay Labangon. We are going to show your advocacy on the screen. That's it, and please tell us more about what your advocacy is.
As you can see in the pictures, as are our brothers and sisters who age in time. I am really concerned about the welfare of these people, especially when we get old and most of the time we are left alone. We from LGBT community have always helped each other in so many ways, but we should not forget the people ahead of us who once fought for our right and inspire us to become better than yesterday. We may grow old, but the legacy we gave will always be new in the heart of those people who believe that we live by the heart, that die, we shall not be forgotten. Thank you.
And then we have our next candidate, candidate number 6. And we are going to show your advocacy on the screen. Let's take a look at this.
I am a trans woman with mission and vision, and that is to bring back the spirit of sharing and loving. I am so proud that I am a member of the largest LGBT community here in Cebu. Last December 18, we gave gifts to more than 600 kids. That experience made me realize how lucky we are that we're able to live our life the way we want. And most of all, the experience of the children will make them realize that the true essence of life is indeed sharing and loving. Thank you so much.
There you have it. The true essence of life is sharing and giving. That's coming from our candidate number 6. That was very excellent. And then we have our next candidate, candidate number 7. Now we are going to show your advocacy on the screen. Let's watch this. And I'm pretty sure you're very ready to share what this advocacy is all about.
My chosen advocacy is all about financial wellness to LGBT. Why? Empowerment is defined as the process of becoming stronger and more confident, especially on controlling one's life and claiming one's right. The right to a comfortable living. This is the best shown on how we plan things and how we take plans into actions. Financial wellness to LGBT should be acted now. Thank you.
All right, that was very sensational. Thank you very much for your answer. And finally, to complete our second batch, we have candidate number 8 from Barangay Zapatera. And to show your advocacy as well, let us present it on the screen. There you go. Take a look at that. I don't know what that is. Tell us what your advocacy is. That's very, very interesting.
Oh my gosh. This actually is an Instagram photo, right? I love it.
Very surprising indeed. What a very Instagrammable photo. There you go.
Actually, the reason I choose that kind of picture because All Souls Day and All Saints Day is fast approaching, right? So
I don't know what to say. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So tell us more about what your advocacy is.
Okay, actually, the advocacy is awareness and awareness about the disease which is called AIDS, and awareness and awareness about drug addiction.
Now we get what the picture is all about.
You know, actually, I'm not ambitious enough to give some advice to the people, especially to the young generation nowadays. Be safe, and of course, you have to stay away from drugs. For me, as a teenager, I want them to know that I care, and I do hope to be able to help them. And not only that, but I think we have to educate the people, especially to the young generations today. Because always remember that we have only one life in this world. So we have to take good care of it. So lastly, you have to make procrastinating things because time is precious, right? What you are going today, do it now. Don't wait until tomorrow before it's too late. So, help me God. Thank you.
Do it now or else. Take a look at that. Now we are going to present to you our final batch, the third batch, candidate number 9, 10, 11, and 12. So come up right here, candidate number 9, representing Barangay Sambagdos. And we're going to see your advocacy as well on the screen. Let's take a look at this. We can see children there. Tell us more about what your advocacy for tonight.
My personal advocacy is education. Ever since I was a kid, I dreamed to circumnavigate the world and to educate people and meet people from all walks of life and touch people's life because I don't given the chance because I'm just only adopted child. I was a product of prostitution, but it doesn't, my life doesn't stop there. Because I'm very proud for where I came from, as long as you have a good heart. Ladies and gentlemen, education. We value education. We earn knowledge. Knowledge is the only thing that we can call our own. It is the only weapon against ignorance. And it is the only thing that we can call and through towards change and improvement. Through education, we can learn to appreciate the value of morality and the value of justice. Ladies and gentlemen, if only people are well educated, crimes, violence, brutality, drug addiction, prostitution, I'm sure it will be eradicated and be abolished. Because for me, ladies and gentlemen, education is very important in my life because it molds you as a person. Because I strongly believe in the saying that goes, it is better to endure the hardship of learning than to suffer the bitterness of ignorance. Thank you.
And now we are going to call candidate number 10. Wow! Representing from where?
Cambutitas from Barangay Tinago, Tipadilla, and Tejero. Here.
Now we're going to take a look at your advocacy. There you go. Trans Health. Tell us more about it from Kimbotitas, candidate number 10.
This is an advocacy helping trans women, focusing on their health issues that best regards, and the exact amount dosage to take. And I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that people must see us LGBT, living our lives in good times always. This time, I want to educate and emphasize that we are also considered that our health as our treasure. Ladies and gentlemen, this young transgender must inculcate that in their minds. I will be their guide as to how they must maintain their health, despite these technological advances for their physical improvements. They must remember that they don't need to be regretful in the end. With my help and my fellow Cambutitas, that's the best goal for our advocacy. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. And now we have our next candidate. Candidate number 11 of People's Choice Award. And you know what? This time we are going to show your advocacy on the screen.
Yes, my advocacy, it's all about discrimination. As we all know that our society is developing and continuously improving. That is what we hear all the time from TV screens, front pages of the newspapers, and on the internet. Undoubtedly, there are problems, but we are becoming more socially oriented, tolerant, and culturally diverse. There is less discrimination and more understanding, and we are on the way to our ideal future. Yes, it all sounds very enthusiastic, but the truth is that discrimination will never be eliminated. Discrimination is as old as the human society itself. People tend to attack somebody who is different. Different in religion, race, and most especially, sexual preference. On balance, discrimination is negative, but natural. All the attempts to change the society and make people appreciate the difference, try to be different and enjoy it are absolutely useless. But generally, I am making statement hoping to achieve acceptance to which we are all getting on to. Now let me say this once and for all to you, my fellow men. Love who you are, love what you do, and love everyone for what they are. And for sure, love will find its way into all of us. Thank you.
I must agree that love is the answer, and we have to have acceptance for discrimination. There you go. That's our candidate number 11. And finally, our last candidate, candidate number 12, representing Barangay Luz. All right, I know you are very ready to share us what your advocacy is all about. But first, let's take a look at it on the screen. There you have it, environmental protection. Please tell us more about it, candidate number 12.
My advocacy is about environmental protection. It is our mandate of our organization to provide information to people, especially youth, by believing that our today and tomorrow leaders. Our project intends to educate youth by keeping them aware, knowledgeable, and skilled to assist make informed decisions that affect environmental quality to their future. If we create in youth's mind the issue of environmental protection and management, it can assist to create a generation which will use environmental resources sustainably. According to Mother Teresa, not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with a great love. I don't want to protect the environment. I want to create a world where the environment doesn't need protecting. I thank you.
Can we give another round of applause to our very beautiful and very smart candidates? This time around, someone very special is going to say her message. She is the mother of LGBT here in Cebu, and also the foundress of Ripos Angels. Let us welcome the very fabulous and very beautiful inside and out, Mommy Johan Salores. Mommy Honey.
Tagaan natog pakpak atong tagsatag-sang kaugalingon nga naa diri karon. Di ko muhunong diri kung di mo mamakpak tanan. Pakpak mo tanan. Why? Tungod sa inyong pag-entrance, sa inyong pagtambong karon, naamoy daghang mga bata nga gipalipay sa umaabot nga kinsa man ang mudaog karong gabiuna. I am very proud ang Ripos Angels is walay funder nga ni fan namo. Dili babag kung wala kay fan, dili ka makalihok. Dili babag sa usa ka tawo kung naa sa imong heart ang mutabang, mas happy ka nga naay tawo nga malipay. Tagaan na to sa masipang pakpak atong mga hurado karong gabi una. Daghang salamat.
And now here on stage is our very humble queen, fresh from Japan.
Yes,
Yari
already-
lang yun siya sa Cebu.
Yes.
Just to witness Diwata sa Sugbo 2017.
Moro dyan na iyang giuli diri karon.
Yes, actually.
So taga to sa
Where's
masipang
Gino?
pakpak, beautiful inside and out, fresh from Japan, Samantha Dodson.
Hello, Ate Samantha. I'm very glad that you are here tonight. Any message to everyone?
Hi, good evening. Daghang salamat kaayo and congratulations. Daghang salamat talaga. I really love Cebu. Dili lang sa LGBT, naagyod sila respeto. Naagyod sila dignity and pride. Thank you so much, taga Cebu. And LGBT here is really productive. Congratulations, Rufus Angels. Daghang salamat.
Thank you so much. A round of applause, another for Ate Samantha. Thank you. And now? And to entertain us tonight, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome WICOPA 2015 gold medalist, Daniel May
Ozaraga.
When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will comfort you. I'm on your side. When times get rough and friends just can't be found, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down. When you're down and out, when you're on the streets, when the evening falls so hard, I will comfort you. I'll take your part when the darkness comes and pain is all around, like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down, sail on silver girl. I'll take your part when darkness comes and pain is all around, like a bridge over troubled water.
will lay me.
Wow, thank you, Miss Daniel May Osaraga.
Let us feast our eyes as we welcome back on stage our candidates for the 2017 Diwata sa Sugbo Evening Gown Competition, together with Mr. Minglanilla, second runner-up, and Best in Talent, Jofer Emmanuel Kapanpangan on his saxophone.
Diwata number 1, Mayari, Scarlett Lopez of LGBT Calamba. With her advocacy, humanity, and unity, she believes that with peace, we can attain respect and love. Designer, Ian Nuevo. Once again, Diwata number 1, Mayari. Diwata number 2, Ana Gulay, Shane Marie Queen of Dove Organization. Her advocacy is youth empowerment through education, because she believes that young generation are our future. Diwata number 3, Manggagaway, Angelicum Lopez of UNEC Organization. She focuses on the advocacy of lesser discrimination, since we are all equal. Designer, Hans Kukilia. Diwata number 4, Tala, Hermie Coppins of Bangao Organization. She thinks that love has no gender, so she wants to promote gender sensitivity advocacy. Designer, Christian Harvey Baligua. Diwata number 5, Dion Masalata. Ira Ambrosio of Laguchi Organization. Her advocacy is supporting the Golden Gays, wherein they will be given in the care in society. Designer, Aris Oloris Paracolis. Diwata number 6, Aman Sinaya. Roxanne de los Santos of Pasuga Organization. Helping young unfortunate kids is one of her greatest dreams, and she believes that they can help our community someday, so they must be cared. Designer, Roy Erwin Dizon. Diwata number 7, Lakambini. Baby Iyam Aureliano of Abaca Organization. Her advocacy is financial wellness, especially to LGBT, and she hopes that government will provide someday. Designer Aris Loris Paracalis. Diwata number 8, Maria Makiling. Jana Elisa of LGBT Zapatero. Awareness of disease, AIDS, and awareness of drug addictions is her advocacy since people practice unsafe sex and taking drugs. She said it must be stopped. Diwata number 9, Hanan. Japi May Libre of Sagpa Organization. She believes that education is the key to success, and she added, the more you learn, the more you are aware. Designer Elmer De Venancio. Diwata number 10, Maria Cacao. Aura Viralio of Cambotitas. Trans health is her main concern in the society, so she wishes that government offers medication someday. Designer Roy Irwin Dizon. Diwata number 11, Halia. Elena Petrova Pierce of Carita Gay Angels Organization. Her advocacy is anti-discrimination. She always practiced good camaraderie with co-trans, and she believes that discipline must start within ourselves to be respected. Designer Aris Aloris Caracolis. Diwata number 12, Indiana Lee. Julia Vo Ayala of Semgam Organization. Her advocacy is environmental protection, and it's actually one of her goals, wherein she can help natural resources will be preserved. Designer Miss B. Please welcome back our 12 Diwatas.
To serenade our candidates, please welcome Tawag ng Tanghalan Visayas Contender, ang miracle voice ng Cebu, Glendale Paul Bawagan.
Coming over my direction, just looking for that such a blessing, yeah. To never situation in the heaven, yeah. Oh, you are my sunrise on the darkest day. Got me feeling some kind of way. Make me wanna savor every moment slowly, slowly. But till I'm in love, I put it on. Got the only can know how to turn it on. The way you never on my ear, the only words I wanna hear. Baby, take it slow so we can last long too. Tú eres el mano de soy a mitad. Pero se cana voy a mangoplar. Solo con pensarnos really a pulso. Oh yeah, ya me está costando más de lo normal. Todo me he sentido va pidiendo más. Estoy que tomar sin ningún apuro. Despacito, quiero respirar tu beso despacito. Día que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdas y no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero recordarte beso despacito. Firme en las paredes de tu laberinto, hacerte de cuerpo todo manuscrito. Sube, quiero ver bailar tu pelo, quiero sentir tu ritmo, que le enseñes a mi boca tus lugares favorito, 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 baby. Se me siempre pasando zonas de peligro, está provocando gritos, yo que le des tu peligro. Se te pido besame, dámelo, yo sé que también dándolo, más que pide dándolo, mami se capitándolo. Sabe que da corazón conmigo, estás y bam bam, sabe que esa huevo va tocando, baby bam bam. Breva me busca para como tú sabes, quiero cuando uno me cabe. Yo no te capricho, pero quiero cada viaje. Empecé me cuento, después al baile, pasito, pasito, suavecito. Nos vamos pegando poquito, poquito. Cuando me besa con delicadeza, pero para montarlo vete la cabeza, pasito, pasito, suavecito. Nos vamos pegando poquito, poquito. Cuando me besa con delicadeza, pero para montarlo vete la cabeza. Oye, despacito, pero respira tu cosa despacito. Día que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdas y no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero recordarte beso despacito. Firme en las paredes de tu laberinto, hacerte de cuerpo de un manuscrito. Quiero ver bailar tu pelo, quiero sentir tu ritmo, que le enseñes a mi boca tus lugares favorito, 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 baby. Se me siempre pasando zonas de peligro, está provocando tus gritos, tú que le des tu peligro. Despacito, this is how we do it down in Puerto Rico. I just wanna hear you screaming, ay bendito. I can man forever, conocí conmigo. Pasito, pasito, suavecito. Nos vamos pegando poquito, poquito. Es que esa belleza como rompecabezas, pero para montarlo vete la cabeza. Pasito, pasito, suavecito. Nos vamos pegando poquito, poquito. Es que esa belleza como rompecabezas, pero para montarlo vete la cabeza. Oh yeah, despacito. Thank you so much, and thank you, ladies. So by the way, I just want to thank you for inviting me, Miss Carlin, Super Soft, and Sir Rod, no? Sa tanan. Thank you sa tanan na nambong, no, dire. O sa mga supportan ako sa Tawag ng Tanghala, no? Especially sa mga taga-barangay Tinago. O sa tanan. This is my song from Tawag ng Tanghala, no? Halina't sumayaw sa ilalim ng araw, maghawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan. Everybody! Kapayapaan, kapayapaan, kapayapaan. Kulay man natin makaiba, mundo natin ay iisa. Maghawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan. Everybody! Come on, sing! Keep it louder! Thank you! Kapayapaan, pala gumilis sa dadang so style. Why? Bilog na naman ang buwan, gabilugan ang buwan, nilabasin na ang alaw ko, ano pigilan bagas makita dyan na wag dyan na pipigilan pa na sige lang, sige pare, doy lalamas din lama. Why? Pabilog na naman baro naman isang lalaki, matunos siya ng hinabide. Pero pag bilog ng buwan, sila'y nagdadamit babae ang bilog. Na naman ang buwan, baling mali, labasin na ang alaw ko, mapigilan baga sumakitan siya. Wag sila napipigilan pa na sige lang, sige pare, doy lalabas nila ba? Why? Pabilog na naman ang buwan. Pabilog na naman ang buwan. Pabilog na naman ang buwan. Mundo natin, hati-hati, pag-isay nating muli.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much, Glendo, for that spectacular performance. Let's call our lovely candidates first before we announce the minor awards. First, we're going to award the Best in Production Number.
Yes, actually. Best in Production Number will go to the candidate who is most appealing and who exhibits the most eye-drawing character during the production number.
That is true, and I now have the winner for our Best in Production Number. Who do you think is the winner of the Best in Production Number? Come on!
Who do you think?
Best in Production Number goes to candidate number 8.
Candidate number 8,
Diwata Maria Makiling.
The winner will receive a sash, bouquet of flowers, and cash. This award will be presented by Jane Carla Sarsale.
To be awarded by, of course, our own Asherette.
That is right. She was the one who shines very brightest during the production number.
Yes, and that is the first exposure for tonight. Thank you so much, Ate Angela.
The next award, Paula, is the Best in Costume.
And this award goes to the candidate whose costume truly symbolizes the Diwata she is representing.
The Best in Costume award goes to candidate number 4. Diwata Tala.
The winner will receive a cash, a sash, and a flower headpiece. This award will be presented by Roxanne de los Santos, Queen Philippines 2017 International.
Thank you very much. And the next award that we're going to give tonight is the Best in Swimwear.
Yes, and this award goes to the candidate with the most flattering figure.
All right, everyone is excited. Who do you think is the best in swimwear?
What organization would it be?
That is no other than candidate number 12.
Diwata Idea Nail.
Idiyanale.
Idiyanale.
There you go.
Congratulations, candidate number 12 from Simgab. That's from
Barangay Luz.
The winner will receive a sash, bundle of flowers, and cash. This award presented by Miss Queenie Ibonia.
Well, we still have one more minor award to give, and that is the Best in Evening Gown. Tell us more about it, Paula.
Well, this award goes to the candidate who have exuded elegance and glamour on her evening gown.
Wow. All right, I now have the winner for our Best in Gown, and I am looking at you. That's what candidate number? You are our Best in Evening Gown, candidate number 5, Ira Ambroso.
The winner will receive a sash, flower headpiece, and cash. This award will be presented by Mark Shapiro, the CEO of Executive Boutique.
That's
We still have another special award for tonight, and that is the Face of the Night.
Face of the Night.
And this is my favorite award.
Who is the Face of the Night?
Who do you think?
Candidate number what? Candidate number 5, Ira Ambroso.
Diwata Dian Masalanta from Barangay Labangon. Daghan kayong salamat. And actually, wala siya sash for tonight kay nakalimtan ni Ate Jana.
Well, that's because it's an impromptu award.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. She will have an hair extension for that award. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our winners of the minor awards.
Yes. Congratulations, girls.
Again, we have the Best in Production Number, Best in Costume, Best in Swimwear,
Best in Evening Gown, and of course, another additional award, the Face,
of the Night.
So we now have the results for our top 5.
Yes, this is the breathtaking moment where we narrow all our beautiful Diwatas to only 5 candidates.
Yes, and the 5 finalists who will vie for the title Diwata sa Sugbo 2017, we would like to give gift packs for our 12 Diwatas. Yes, and the 5 finalists who will vie for the title of Diwata sa Sugbo 2017. And now we have the results na.
The 5 finalists that we're going to mention are in no particular order.
Yes, and before that, thank you so much, ladies. You are looking remarkably splendid this evening. Dagan kayong salamat.
Come on, let's give encouragement to the ladies first. Come on.
Thank you.
Show some love, everyone.
And
there
to
you
all
go.
the organizations who supporting their candidate, dagan kayong salamat sa pag-ari.
Let us kick it with...
Here are the 5 finalists in no particular order, starting with candidate number. What do you think?
Kinsa? Oh.
First is candidate number 4. From Talisay City,
From
Cebu.
Talisay City. Thank you very much. And you waited for this moment. We have candidate number 8.
From Barangay Zapatera, Jana Eliza. You are part of the top 5. Candidate number, of course, candidate number 12.
Candidate number 12. Next, take your spot, candidate number... That's candidate number 5.
And completing our 5 finalists is candidate number...
What? Say that one more time, come on.
What number? To complete our 5 for tonight, that would be you. Candidate
Let's
number...
say it together. Candidate number 6. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, your 5 finalists. Please give them another big round of applause. Clap your hands together. Congratulations,
Yes.
ladies.
And to all of our other candidates, thank you very much, girls. It was an honor to have you with us, and may your enriching experience in this pageant help you achieve your career and goals in life. We are very, very proud of you. Thank you so much, ladies.
The winner will receive the Diwata sa Sugbo 2017.
Yes, actually, 5 of them.
5 of them.
Yes.
They will receive cash,
a trophy,
and a charity of her chosen beneficiary.
and a 50,000 worth of salon services.
And now I have the final question, the top 5 final question.
Yes, and here with us on stage is our top 5.
From 12 candidates, we are now down to 5. These candidates will have one last hurdle to overcome, and that is the final question.
So they only have the same question for tonight. And to determine this year's winner, the finalists will be judged based on 50% beauty and grace, and another 50% for their wit and intelligence.
The finalists are provided with headsets to assure that they will not hear the question nor the answers of their co-finalists prior to their turn.
Yes, and then the final question will be given for from another KF family, another KF queen, a lovely Cebuana, a Miss Eco Philippines 2017 Miss Cynthia Magpatok Tumalia Chu, an AVP. First call, our first finalist.
Wow, we have candidate number 4.
And here is our final question.
Hi, mayong gabi. I am Cynthia Tumala, your Miss Eco Philippines 2017. And your final question is, as an LGBTQ member, what would you like to be legalized in our country and why?
All I want to legalize from the LGBT community is to have a same-sex marriage here in the Philippines. Because ladies and gentlemen, not all men and women would go into church. We are here in this world to love and to be loved. Because love is not all about in gender, nor age, nor sexuality you are, but love is all about acceptance and satisfaction. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4.
Acceptance and satisfaction.
Yes,
and
as she
she
said.
wanted to have the
Legalize the
same-sex
same-sex
marriage legalized here
As
in the
they say, when it
Philippines.
comes to love, it's always the feeling who's making it right. So let's call on our next
Yes, please.
finalist.
Our next candidate.
Our next candidate is candidate number...
That's candidate number... That's candidate number 8, of course. How can we forget that?
Jana Eliza.
Wow, looking so glamorous tonight.
Also a crowd's favorite, actually.
Crowd's favorite. You are ready for the question. Are we going to show the question one more time on the screen?
Yes, is our final question.
Hi, mayong gabi. I am Cynthia Tumala, your Miss Eco Philippines 2017. And your final question is, as an LGBTQ member, what would you like to be legalized in our country and why?
Okay, for me, as a proud of LGBT members, I would legalize the equality because that is the truly essence of love. We in the country have full of respect and dignity. So that is why you and you and you and me, they truly love the people which are that truly deserve. Thank you.
Yes, that is right. Equality is the true essence of love. You, and especially her.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8.
Thank you very much, candidate number
Equality
8.
for the country.
And then let's call on our next candidate. That's candidate number 12. Come on. Wow. She is also the winner for our best
In swimsuit. So you're ready for the question? Okay, here is
I'm
your
sure she
final
cannot wait for
question.
that. Let's listen to
Hi,
this.
mayong gabi. I am Cynthia Tumala, your Miss Eco Philippines 2017. And your final question is, as an LGBTQ member, what would you like to be legalized in our country and why?
Let's listen to your answer.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and to the judges. If there's something that I should legalize in our country, that should be punishment for sexual assault violator. Why? As a community, LGBT people face higher rates of sexual assault. Our community needs to prevent sexual assault and support survivors of sexual violence like myself. If you or someone you know that has been sexually assaulted, you must speak out because we have the organizations that can help us. We have the Repos Angels Incorporated. We have the Singab organization. I believe that through this pageant can help to educate the rest of the members of the community that this epidemic of sexual violence is something that we must work together. And I thank you.
Wow, that's a very excellent answer, I must say. So she's in for the punishment of sex violators.
Yes, for sexual assaults.
Yes,
Best
that's
regards
right.
about their gender. Thank you so much, candidate. The very fresh candidate number 12.
And she's also the winner for our best in swimwear.
Yes.
Now we're going to call our next candidate.
Yes, our face of the night, candidate number 5, and also awarded as
Best in evening gown.
Ira Ambrosio.
Wow. First of all, do you have any words that you have been crowned as the best in evening gown and face of the night?
Oh, thank you so much. And to all my friends and the organization and my sister who supported me tonight, thank you for coming.
Wow, that was very nice. And you must be very ready for the question, for our final question. For the question, let's take a look at the screen.
Hi, Mayong Gabi. I am Cynthia Tumala, your Miss Eco Philippines 2017. And your final question is, as an LGBTQ member, what would you like to be legalized in our country and why?
As a member of an LGBTQ community, as a transgender, one thing I would like to be legalized in this new millennium is the gender recognition law. That people like us can be classified as a trans woman instead of man or male, especially when you're looking like a woman and acts like a woman. I believe that diversity can be defined its existence if people can understand and accept our differences. I may be born as a man, but I just simply believe in every way that I am right now, I deserve to be called as a woman and classified as a trans. And so as my brothers and sisters from the LGBT community, we deserve to be recognized. We deserve to be acknowledged as who we truly are. Thank you.
We are calling you a woman of grace and substance, of course.
Actually, that is our candidate number 5. It's a gender recognition by candidate number 5. And it's also been a dream for me na woman ang nakapangan, female sad ang nakabutang sad sa NSO.
That is right. Now this time we're going to call our final candidate, and that is candidate number 6.
Yes, the last but definitely not the least from Barangay Suba.
And I'm sure by the look of her, she is very ready to answer the final question. Let's take a look at it on the screen.
Hi, Mayong Gabi. I am Cynthia Tumala, your Miss Eco Philippines 2017. And your final question is, as an LGBTQ member, what would you like to be legalized in our country and why?
Candidate number 6, do you want us to repeat the question? All
As an
right.
LGBT member, one thing that I would like to legalize is giving the right to adopt a child for our brothers and sisters in the LGBTQ community. Though it is in our constitution that the child should grow up with mother and father, But I believe that is the sense of responsibilities that really matters. We, from the LGBTQ community, can be a good guardian, a good provider, and can be also a good parent. We may not be able to bear a child on our own, but we have a choice to treat like a child or an own flesh. And someday, I am so very proud that someone will say to me, that is my mother, and I'm very proud of her. Thank you so much.
Wow, the right to a family, the right to motherhood. That's what she wants to be legalized here in the country. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Candidate number 6. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. We all have heard what our finalists, the top 5 finalists, intelligent answers were. Now, who do you think deserves tonight's title and crown?
Let's give them their final look from our 5 finalists as we begin with
Diwata number 4, Tala. Diwata number 8, Maria Makiling. Diwata number 12, Eddie Yanali. Diwata number 5, Dion Masalanta. Diwata number 6, Amay Sinaya.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 5 finalists for tonight, vying for the most coveted crown of Diwata sa Sugbo 2017.
That is right. Who do you think will be crowned tonight as your Diwata sa Sugbo 2017? And we will find that out in a very short while.
Thank you so much, ladies. But before that, we have a group to entertain us tonight. Please help me welcome the Cebu Prime Divas.
Keep thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong. I learned how to get along. And so you're back from my space. I'm just walking to find you here, and that's how I look upon your face. I should have changed and stood along. I should have made you leave a key. If I had known for just 1 second, you'd be back to my feet. Oh, now go, walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one to try to hurt me goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, 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 I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I say a lot. I got all my love to live, and I got all my love to give, and I survive. I will survive. Needed just right running scared of love. According to all success, the streets a place to go. Tonight for the first time, just on my hand, for the first time in history, it's gonna start raining men. Oh, it's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Amen. I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna let myself wet, absolutely soaking wet. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Amen. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. It's raining, it's pouring, there's nothing left for us here, and we won't wait If you had enough of this stuff, don't give up, don't you do it. Oh, if you had the key, get the check, pay your bill, you can do it. You can do it, baby. You can do it. Tell him to just get out. Nothing's left to talk about. Pack his reins up, show him out. Just look him in the eye and simply shout. Enough is enough. I can't go on. I can't go on no more now. Enough is enough. I want him out. I want him out that door now. Enough is enough. I can't go on. I can't go on no more now. Enough is enough. I want him out. I want him out that door now. It's raining, it's pouring, there's nothing left for us here, and we won't waste It's raining men.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for Jaya.
chup chumbo bo, ako chumbo, chup chup chumbo bo, ako chumbo, chup chup chumbo bo, ako chumbo, chup chup chumbo bo. Bira bum bum, bum bum, bum bum. Bira bum bum, bum bum, bum bum. Ba-di-da-dum, bum ba bum. Ba-di-da-dum, dum da bum.
That was surely entertaining. Wow. Thank you very much, Jaya. This time, before we announce our winners, let us welcome back on stage our top 5 finalists. Candidate number 6.
Candidate number 5.
Candidate number 12.
Candidate number 8.
And candidate number
4.
4. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
We
Sorry.
already have the results.
Oh, the results are here. The results are in, finally. Diwata sa Lupa is...
Who do you think is our Diwata sa Lupa for tonight?
Candidate number 8.
Shana Eliza from Barangay Zapatera.
Our Diwata sa Lupa will receive sash, a bouquet of flowers, a plaque, and a crown. To award our Diwata sa Lupa, we have Miss Eileen De Vera, Mr. RJ Villarosa, Dr. Christian Moscoso, and Honorable Councilor Joel Garganera.
Let's wait for the crown too.
Yes, let's wait for the crown. And Consihal Garganera from the North District of Cebu City.
Thank you very much, Honorable Councilor, for crowning our Diwata sa Lupa tonight. Diwata sa Lupa 2017. And this time is Diwata sa Apoy.
And our Diwata sa Apoy 2017 is candidate number...
What?
Candidate number 4.
Candidate number 4, you are Diwata sa Apoy.
Our Diwata sa Apoy will receive a sash, a bouquet of flowers, a plaque, and a crown. To award, we have Mr. Oyan Ko, Attorney Brandon Rairea, and Miss Jenny Ann Chua.
Again, Diwata sa Apoy, candidate number 4. Let's move on to our Diwata sa Tubig.
And who do you think our Diwata sa Tubig 2017?
Come on, scream your candidate!
We have 3 ladies remaining. Candidate number 12, 5, and candidate number 6.
Our Diwata sa Tubig is candidate number...
Woo! Who would it be?
Candidate number 12!
Candidate number 12! Representing Semgab, right? From Barangay Luz.
Our Diwata sa Tubig will receive a sash, bouquet of flowers, a plaque, and a crown. To award the Diwata sa Tubig, we have Miss Joanna Rocamora, Mr. Mark Shapiro, and Miss B. Orhalio.
And now we are down to our 2 ladies!
Woo! And we will be announcing the Diwata sa Hangin And the remaining candidate will automatically become our Diwata sa Sugbo 2017. So first, we have to announce the Diwata sa Hangin. And then the remaining candidate, she would be our Diwata sa Sugbo 2017.
Now take note of this, Paula and everyone. One important thing. The role of the first runner-up is very crucial because in any event, the Diwata sa Sugbo 2017 will be unable to continue her reign. The first runner-up will take the crown and assume all the responsibilities as the new Diwata sa Sugbo 2017. Oh, come on, Paula. We cannot wait for the Diwata sa Sugbo 2017.
Ako din. Nasa akin yung result. Okay, eto na. Our Diwata sa Hangin 2017 goes to candidate number... Candidate number 5!
And Diwata sa Sugbo 2017 is no other than Diwata number 6!
Roxam de los Santos from Barangay Suba! And
Congratulations!
Yes, and our Diwata sa Hangin is candidate number 5 from Barangay Labangon, Ira Ambrosio.
Wow, you can really hear the support from Diwata number 6 tonight. And she deserves the crown and the title for Diwata sa Sugbo 2017. And we have to take note, this is the very first ever Diwata sa Sugbo, Paula.
Yes, actually, and we are having our next Diwata sa Sugbo. That will be next year for 2018. So, join na ba ako?
Come on, hail to the Diwata sa Sugbo 2017!
Roxam de los Santos from Barangay Suba!
And congratulations to the other winners, Diwata sa Lupa, Diwata sa Hangin, Diwata sa Tubig, and
Diwata sa Lupa.
Alright.
Lahat ng Diwata ay nandito na. Congratulations again, ladies! In behalf of the Rappers Angels Incorporated and Barangay Labangon, we would like to congratulate all the winners and wish all of you a pleasant evening and God bless.
This has been Gino Montes Claros Cabrera.
And this is your most traveled beauty queen, Maria Paula Bacos Espina. Thank you and see you all next year for Diwata sa Sugbo 2018. Thank you.
See you next year, everyone. Congratulations to our ladies and of course let's have some photos.
And now you're so